Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, today I'm going to show you how to take a pre-made item from the Dollar Tree and make it just a little more personal. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here today. I really do appreciate it, and thank you so much for all of your awesome support. I got this box at the Dollar Tree. Pretty nice, right? Well, we can make it a little bit nicer, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. I am going to show you how to take a box, especially if it's not a nice box like this, and cover it to give it a very professional look. And it's going to be a simplified way that we do it. And then once it's covered, I'm going to take a couple of these beautiful glass blown ornaments created exclusively by Eric Warren. Eric is the glass blowing artist that I shared with you a while back. I'll have that video linked in the description box below. Y'all, he's amazing. He gifted these ornaments to me to do as I please. So congratulations to you if you are watching this video during the actual live premiere of it, because this is a secret giveaway video. And you only know about the giveaway because you're here right now at 4 p.m. on December 10th, 2023. So the eligibility requirements for this video are scrolling on the screen right now. But the nitty-gritty is, for as long as the live chat window is open on this video right here, you can participate. All you have to do is participate in the live chat. Even if you just want to say hello, you must participate in the live chat so that I can capture your screen name so that we can put you in the drawing to win one of these two items. Once the video ends on December 10th, 2023, at whatever time the video ends on December 10th, 2023, the actual ability to participate in the live chat is going to go away. And once the live chatting option is not there, the sign-up period for the giveaway has closed. So it's really, really very simple. If you want a chance at winning one of these and you're in the United States, just participate in the live chat. That's it. Once the live chat ends, sign up to win one of these is closed. This is my way of sharing Eric's beautiful gifts with you, as well as saying thank you for being here right now at 4 p.m. and supporting this premiere video that I'm doing. So let's go ahead and make this box look just a little bit better than it does. There's nothing wrong with it. I just want to give it a different look. But you might have a box that is not the prettiest, and you want to know how to cover it in a professional way. That's what we're doing. So I have my scoreboard out because we need to figure out the size of this box. So I'm going to put it in, and this box is 4.5 inches on all four sides in this way. So 4.5 all the way around. Then I'm going to turn it this way to see how tall it is. So it is about 5 inches tall. And that's a great size for this box because it allows us to take just one piece of 12 by 12 and cover the entire box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 12 by 12 and we are going to cut it into two strips that are 6 by 12. And then we're going to take our pieces and we're going to cut them down to 10.5 by 6. Because we really don't need the excess that we're going to end up with as we do the wraparound of the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tape and I am just going to place my tape on the box like this. And y'all, I'm using double stick tape, which most of you know. And then we're just going to tear that. And then I'll take a piece here. Put that there. And we're just going to go around and put our tape. And then I'll take a strip of thinner tape and we'll just put it in the middle. And this really is more of a process video than an exact measurement video because your box sizes might be different. But this will give you an idea of how to do those boxes. Then I'm going to take the same tape and I'm going to put tape across the top. And then tape across the bottom. And I'll just go ahead and do that on both pieces. We're going to add some more tape to the second piece, but we'll do that in just a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just peel away the top and the bottom from one piece. And then I'm going to remove my tape backers like this. I'm not taking it all the way off because it doesn't need to be all off just yet. Okay, so now I'm going to take this piece. So when I take the box and I place it, you can see that tape. I am going to take the top of the box and place it right underneath that tape. Then I'll go in with my bone folder and get that stuck. Then I'm going to take my finger blade, and in my corners, I am going to do angles. So I did that corner, and then this corner, I'll do an angle, and I'll do the same thing on the bottom. So an angle here, and an angle there. And then here in this corner, an angle here. So now I can take this piece here on the corner, and we're just going to fold it over. Just go ahead and take big old spatula or whatever it is you're using to get that nice and stuck. And you can see how beautiful that crease is. Now we'll take this piece. We're going to fold it over on the inside, and we'll take the bottom piece and fold it over onto the bottom. Again, getting that nice and crisp. And you can see just how good that is looking. So I accidentally started on the wrong end, but that's okay because I'll just peel the tape away from the whole thing. And so once you have it like this and you have your tape, just lay it down, stand it up, and just roll it over like that. And so again, I'm going to take my big old spatula and just smooth that out. Now I can take my finger blade here on this end. We can cut that at an angle. Here on this end, we can cut that at an angle like that. And then we'll do the same thing in this corner. We're basically doing our angle cuts or miters so that we'll have nice, beautiful corners. And so now you can see how I did that. So now I'm just going to take it, stand it up, and fold that over. Get that nice and stuck. Then we're going to take this piece, fold it over, go on the inside, get it nice and stuck. And y'all, look at how well that is looking on the inside. So let's go ahead and take this piece, and I'll just finagle it just a little bit and fold it over like that. And you can already see the beautiful difference in this box. It really is looking very good. One thing I noticed about this particular box is it is not as squared as I want it to be, but once I put the lid on it, that's going to take care of that. So now when we take this piece, we're going to put it down right here. We might actually end up cutting some off as we get closer to the end, but we'll do that in just a little bit. So I'm going to take some tape, and I need to add some tape to this end here. And I'm just going to peel away like that. Then I'll take this piece and I'm going to put it down just like I did the initial piece. So I am placing it down right on the edge like that. And then we'll just lay it down. I'm going to go on the inside, get it nice and stuck, and then I'll angle here. And I'll angle here, and I'll angle on my ends because we need to fold those in. So now I can take this piece, we can fold it over like this, stand it up, take this piece and fold it in. Let's go on the inside, get that nice and stuck. Make sure we have that crease nice and stuck. Then I'm going to peel away my tape backers, and I'm just going to angle a little bit there. And I'll peel away the tape backer there and remove that angle. So now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to place my tape right here. I could have used the wide tape. Let's get that nice and stuck. We are going to end up cutting away some of that excess, but that will be okay. And so now we're going to take this and we just roll it over like that. Then let's go on the inside, get that nice and stuck. Then I'll angle here, I'll angle here, and now we'll take this piece, fold it in, and we'll take this piece, fold it under. And now I'm just going to take my finger blade, y'all, and I am just going to trim away this excess. And by taking the finger blade, I'm just pressing it against the edge of the box and driving it into the paper to get rid of that excess. And now I can use my big old spatula. We're going to smooth out and just square everything beautifully. And so now I'm going to get a piece that is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and we're going to place that on the bottom. So I'm just going to take my tape, put my tape on like this, and put some tape over here. Now I can peel away that tape backer, and we can take this and we can put it right here on the bottom just to finish it off. And y'all, that's how easy it is to take a plain old Dollar Tree box and decorate it, adding your own paper and giving it a more upscale look. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lid, and when we put the lid on, you can see that it works well with this. I'm not too crazy about that bow. I'm going to see if I can remove it without messing up the box. And now, just to finish it off, I'm going to take this Christmas greeting and we're going to put it on our lid. So I'm going to take this and we're going to place it right there. And so there, we have really dressed up that gold box. We don't have to do anything to the inside because it's already finished. But I like how this paper is just so pretty. It has that shimmer to it, and it just elevated the look of that Dollar Tree gift box. So now I have some tissue paper. Thought it was gold when I bought it. I think I just looked at one and picked up the wrong thing. But I am just going to take my tissue paper and tuck it inside the box. Then I'm going to take this beautiful ornament by Eric, and we're going to put it in the box like that. That's one giveaway. And then I'm going to take this tissue paper and put it in this box so that it will hold the second ornament. Like that. And then I'll add some more tissue to the top. I think that this is a great way to present any special ornament that you might be giving to someone at Christmas time or to commemorate any occasion. Take one of those boxes. Even if you see the box and it doesn't have the look that you want, use your papers and change the look of the box. So for those of you watching this at the time of the premiere and the live chatting window is open, this is your last chance to enter the giveaway. So go ahead and put your live chat comment out there right now before it closes, and you will have a chance at winning these. My sister will draw 2 names from those of you who have entered, and I will announce the winners on Sunday, December 11th at 4 p.m. Even if I wasn't giving these away, I think that this is a fabulous project and has so many uses. So I hope that you have enjoyed the super easy way to take a Dollar Tree box or a pre-made box and dress it up. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.